Hello everyone, we are the Station 2. My partners are Cecilia and Susana, and my name is Javi. In the 28th of April, in the afternoon, we did the river project in Bayona with the second of ESO students. In our station, we did the following steps.
The topics that we will work are the habitat and the riparian forest and river forest.
In the habitat, we asked to all the groups some questions about the rapids and the flowings of the river.
Then we saw the river and we talked about the aquatic vegetation coverage, like algae attached to rocks or aquatic plants. And then we talk about the riverbed substrates, like moss or sand.
And then we talk about the state of the river and the heterogeneity. In the riparian forest, we talk about the riparian forest of the river as the both sides of the river.
The results were that the second professor students were very they attended a lot and they took notes and they were good students.